Alexis Christie and I'm new to YouTube. My first video is going to be doing the Twin Telepathy Slime Challenge and I'm joined with Ciara. Options for this round is clear glue and white glue. I'm going to be going first, so I'm going to choose this one.
I don't know which one to choose. I think Alexis is going to choose this one, so I'm going to go for this one.
3, 2, 1.
Oh no!
So I get the point for this round.
So for round 2 we have a choice of shaving cream and baby powder. I think Alexis is going to go for this one, so I'm going to pick this one.
I think she might have chose this one, but I really want this one. 3, 2, 1.
Yay!
Okay, so I'm on 2 points and she's on 0 still.
Is that enough, do you think? So now we've mixed all that together, the next round is between glitter paint and this blue paint. So I think Alexis is going to pick this one, so I'm going to go for this one. I got the point.
So also, while we're doing this, comment down below who you think's going to win, me or Ciara. So I'm going to go for Team Alexis. Hashtag Team Alexis in the comments. And
I'm going to be hashtag Team Ciara. So please comment who you think's going to win this challenge.
so now the paint round's done. Mine is like a blue colour. So I think Ciara's going to go for this one. So I'm going to go for this one and just hope I get a point.
I think Alexis is going to go for this one. So I'm going to go for this one. Ah, Alexis got the point. So now we've mixed all that together, we are going to add the air wick to activate the slime.
We will be back once the slime is activated.
So now the slime's all activated, we have these pink and purple sequins and some buttons. So I think this is what Alexis is going to go for, so I'm going to choose this one.
I think Ciara knows that I'm going to pick these ones, but I think she's going to pick them, and I think these are going to make my slime look nice, so I think I'm going to go for them. So 3, 2, okay, now we're going to take them into our slime and then we'll do close-ups.
So this is a close-up of my slime.
So this is a close-up of my slime, and can you make sure you comment down below whose slime looks better, mine or Ciara's? Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Also, turn on the notification bell so you know when the next video is being posted. Thank you guys. Bye.